Drinking too much alcohol can harm your health. That's the warning from the medical fraternity this evening as Jamaicans prepare for the holiday season. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell tells us more in the health report.
Health report. It sounds like a mixed message. Drinking alcohol may offer some health benefits, especially for your heart. On the other hand, too much alcohol may increase your risk of health problems and damage your heart. Consultant laparoscopic and general surgeon Dr. Lindbergh Simpson says it is during the festive season that more people tend to consume a lot of alcohol, so much so that they end up sick. Dr. Simpson says he sees at least 3 cases of these persons coming to get treated during this time of the year as a result of drinking too much alcohol. While it is seen more in urban areas, the rural parts are not as bad.
We often get patients who come in intoxicated around the Christmas time. Sometimes they're intoxicated and they fall down and they may hurt themselves. They may, get severe head injury or fracture somewhere because they're intoxicated. So even not only the patients, not only the people who drive, but also the people who are walking sometimes. They're intoxicated, they may fall, or they may be intoxicated and they walk into the road and get hit by a car. These are things which happen.
Drinking too much alcohol can also weaken your immune system, making your body a much easier target for life-threatening diseases. Chronic drinkers are more liable to contract diseases like tuberculosis than people who do not drink as much.
You can have irritation of the stomach, gastritis. You can have pancreatitis, which can be acute, which can be mild or severe, and you can also have aspiration pneumonia. Sometimes patients drink, they're intoxicated, they vomit, and the vomit goes into the lungs and they can be very sick.
Dr. Simpson says oftentimes persons don't realize they're having too much alcohol until it is too late, which is why he's advising persons to be mindful at all times.
If you find that you're behaving in a manner unusual to what you would expect, it's probably time to stop, drink some water, and try to get some of the alcohol out of your system. Because all the time you want to remain in control of your faculties. If you find that you're behaving in a manner which is unusual for you, or people say, hey, you're talking loud, or you're behaving unusual, then it's probably time to stop drinking the alcohol, drink water. Water is the best thing, and try to drink as much as you can so that you can help your body to get rid of the alcohol.
Moderate alcohol use for healthy adults means up to 1 drink a day for women of all ages and men older than 65 years old, and up to 2 drinks a day for men aged 65 and younger. With your health report, I'm Shamela Mitchell wishing you good health. Health report.